Hi guys, let's do the question before us. And I read the question. Solve the differential equation. Guys, we have such kind of an equation. And we have x cos x dy over dx plus. Open the bracket x sin x plus cos x. Close the bracket y is equals to 2. And so guys, we now solve this equation. So the first thing guys we are going to do, we are going to modify this equation. And so that we are left with this side, we shall be left with, we want to modify it this way. That is dy all over dx plus p y is equals to q. And remember that these are also variables of x. So guys, we now modify that equation that way. So we are going to divide every side by x cos x. And so we shall have dy over dx, that is on this side. On this other side, we shall have plus. On the same side, we still, all the terms, we are dividing all the terms. So this now comes to x sin x plus cos x. We divide this also by x cos x, like that. So here we have y. All this, guys, is supposed to be equal to 2, which we also divide by x cos x. And so after dividing, this is what guys we are going to have. So guys, this is now what we have. We have divided this by x cos x. So when we divide this term, guys, we get tan x. Cos x is going to cancel and sin x all over cos x is tan x. This side cos cancels and we are left with 1 over x. And then we have a y there. This is now equal to 2 all over x. Cos x is the same as sec x. And so we still now continue. From there, guys, we are going to find what we call integrating factor. And in this format, just as we had here, guys, our integrating factor is supposed to be e raised to integral of px. And so for this one, we shall have integrating factor as e raised to integral of tan x plus 1 all over x dx. All that, guys, is our integrating factor. This now comes to e raised to the integral of tan x is sec, that is natural log of sec x. Guys, you can check on mathematical tables. That is integral for tan x is natural log of sec x. Now plus integral for 1 over x is natural log of x. And so guys, this is what we have. We continue. We now have integrating factor is equals to e. Guys, we can combine these two using the laws of logarithm. When you have two logs added together, that one comes to natural log of now sec x multiplied by x. That is, or x multiplied by sec x. So guys, that's what we get. And finally, guys, we are going to have integrating factor as when we have e raised to natural log of something, guys, this equals to x sec x. So guys, this is now our integrating factor. And this is a result of, since this is E, guys, when you evaluate that, guys, you get this. So we get x sec x. And from there, guys, we now go back to our equation. For our equation, we come and now multiply by x sec x throughout. So guys, as you can see, I've multiplied this side and also this other side. But guys, instead of us doing like that, we can actually come and say, whereby instead of multiplying here and trying to evaluate, we just multiply and also make sure we multiply the other side, which had a 2. We had 2 over x sec x. Now we multiply by x sec x. So this is the side that is very important, because guys, for the other side, having the integrating factor, we shall say d all over dx. Integrating factor, which is now, guys, as we have, is x sec x y. Guys, if we differentiate this, we are going to get what we have on the left side. And this is now equal to 2 sec squared x. So guys, this is the equation now we need. Guys, we can multiply both sides by dx. This side we multiply by dx and this side we multiply by dx, so that we shall now have d all over. So guys, we multiply by dx and then we put integral. We find the integral of both sides. For this side, the integral of this side, guys, this now comes to the integrating factor multiplied by y. So this side we have x sec x y. Because remember, guys, that the opposite of integration is differentiation. And so when you have differentiated something like this, and then we integrate it, guys, it comes back to what it was originally. So we have x sec x y equals to 2. The integral for sec squared x will give us tan x. And then we have to say plus c. And so therefore, guys, we shall have our solution as this. This is y multiplied by x sec x equals to 2 tan x plus c. So guys, this is our solution, and thank you for listening to me. Bye.